Okay. We brought the kids here for the in the School of Hope, especially for Shera to come over here. What was the whole idea behind getting the Shera here and you contributing to that?
I'll just tell you what, because basically we are celebrating the Joy of Giving week. The entire week we've been doing something or the other. And see, we began with the going to the people at the Yamuna Bank serving food over there. Then we went to the people in the old age homes. We went to there's various centers, you know, for the children kept shelter homes and all. We went there. Today we are here at Tamanna Special School. They invited us. They wanted here. The children should be here to assist them in the drawing and coloring competition. They're all here. See, the name itself says the School of Hope. So they are here to generate that hope, not just for them, but for themselves as well. And not just to be in help, but to be in service. So that is what Skills for Life Foundation aims at. That's what we wish to create at Zenith.
And आप लोगों ने शेरा को देखा जो शेरा से मिलना था शुरू से?
Yeah, we had a lot of excitement, and I had my assessment today. That is what Zenith is all about, how to manage things, and that's what a real Zenith is. And I managed all the things. I gave my assessment, then I took a half day and I came here, and I'm specially here to meet Shera and to be in service and to make a difference.
And what's the excitement of meeting Shera like?
Excitement is very much. It's a chance. One time it's a chance to meet Shera. First time I'm meeting the Shera.
Okay. And you tell us, Shera, what does Shera mean to you as the symbol of games? How important are the games, Commonwealth Games for you as people growing up in this country?
Commonwealth Games are quite important to us, and we're looking forward to watching them as the opening and all. And Shera is like a very nice mascot, and it's kind of fun to see.
And do you guys know what was the symbol of Asian Games when it happened in 1982? Does anyone know it?
He wasn't born.
Okay.
Who knows? Just in case. This interesting question. 1982 Asian Games. What was the mascot? Appu.
So what does Shera signifies in terms of image of India? What does Shera signifies for the image of India?
As everyone knows, it's the mascot of Commonwealth Games. It gets together all the people of India, from the old ones, the children. It gets together. Shera brings them all together. So it signifies.
Do you think it's the right symbol? India as the lion of the world at this point of time?
Yeah, it is. It is actually, Shera is actually a tiger. So it's a national animal of our country. And yeah, it's the right decision to make him the mascot.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, something on this? See, choosing Shera as the symbol is something most perfect, I would say. Indians have to be born leaders. And someone who leads is a symbol which clearly shows that you're aiming at the right and you're moving in the right direction. It's perfect.
Yeah.